I was to choose the biggest problem that our industry faces, I would choose the lack of engineers. I'm not talking about great engineers, I'm not talking about good, I'm just lack of engineers in general. I think there's more demand out there than the companies can fulfill. I think there's more technologies out there. I think the bottleneck in our industry to deliver the benefits that can be delivered, that the technology has to offer, I think it's engineers, the number of engineers, the training they receive, how tired they are, and how new people can enter the industry. That's the other thing. There's no clear path, go to such and such college, you do all your homework, you get all your diplomas, and then off you go, you become a BMS engineer. That's not how our industry works. Some come from a mechanical background, electrical background. I come from IT, for example. I actually studied automation as a topic in university, but I'm a rare case of that. And even me, when I finished university, I didn't really know what I was doing until I had some site experience. So I think engineers and finding good engineers, creating good engineers, holding on to them, rewarding them, allowing them to learn, to improve their skills. I think that's probably the single most important decision a BMS company has to take, which then has a direct impact in the well-being and the success of the company. So I think how well you're able to attract people, offer them the training that they need, and it's not a one-off. You don't get someone and say, okay, you're a good BMS engineer, well done, now go off, and for the next 10 years that's all you need to know. And no, because the technology evolves so quickly, it's an ongoing process. The learning never stops. And of course there's a natural learning that you go on site, but there's another layer of learning which is structured. Some of it comes from manufacturers because they come out with these new features and so on. So yeah, I think how you invest in your engineers learning, and my view is that we got to make it easy. So self-paced, and that's why we created an online learning platform where engineers can learn in their own time. I think that's really the key. The more we invest in learning, not so much as a revenue stream, not as a way of making money on the back of it, but in a way of improving and then having a conscious decision that will have a positive impact on everybody involved. I think that's the key. So what's your view on it? How do you approach self-improvement learning? How much do you invest in your employees? I'd like to hear about all of that, and hope to speak to you soon.